people are doing. Huh?
Hi, Ate Rain.
Hello.
Sige na shout out people. Hello, it's me underscore. I forgot.
Hey.
Aww.
Hershey,
There's so many
shout
people, actually.
out! Hello po.
Wait, I don't read that fast.
Pasali, Ate Rain.
What truly makes you happy though, Tyler? Why is you?
My mom.
I don't know what to say. Wait, Lord, what truly makes you happy, Tyler?
My sister? Wait, was that my sister? Oh, that's not my sister.
Oh, Casey, shout out.
Wala, someone knows where you live.
Hi, Hershey Muha. Who's Muha?
Haha.
And the live
Hi, Rain. Kumusta Palawan?
I was one guys, talaga nag-cave kami. Talaga. Okay, can you ask questions to Tyler? and
Shout out
Hershey?
sa inyong tatlo.
Bita, when is...
Rina, where you talk from?
When is Kai
Huh?
coming here?
Tyler, you have food ba daw? Ivan eh.
Where's Ivan?
Can you show your face, no?
Where's Ivan? I can't see, bro. I can't do
There,
this.
oh!
Kita Hershey, miss
Oh.
you too.
Thank you.
Hi, Ivan. Thank you for that.
Do it.
Stop.
Go. No, Gigi mood.
Hi, Rina from Utah.
Wow. Hello.
Tita.
Hi, Hershey. Love. Oh. Guys, he's gay.
I'm not...
Oh my god! Stop doing that. He's actually like making it. Bro, you're gonna get cancelled. Guys, Tyler is straight. Tyler has a crush on. Hey, if they believe Tyler's gay, you're so mean. Guys, Tyler is not gay. I'm sorry. You're at. Oh my god. So may uwi?
Guys, he's straight, guys.
I sorry, Lisa.
Straight as people with straight spine with no scoliosis.
Am I cancelable? Yeah, you're so cancelable. Can you shut up? Ah! You said it's over?
Bakit na off?
Your sin?
Oh, you turned it off on purpose?
What? Sino yung nag-say?
Pause.
The video that's just in your sin.
Oh, it's here.
Hi, Rina. Kayo pina-video greet. Oh, hi, sin. He said we look alike though. Oh, this one we can show. Hey. Makdor. Sorry, I'm not even doing this on purpose, guys. We just
That's a drink. Ano di tuhod ni mo?
Hindi pa din na-fall lang siya.
We didn't say tuhod.
Tuwad. Sure, guys, you know, I'm not doing this on purpose. We just like Makdo.
Rain, where's your
I
top
love
from?
McDonald's.
My top is gifted by
Someone.
a homie.
Aww. Kay Rain homies.
Yeah, I dropped
Unboxing.
So here, guys,
You're the
unboxing.
favorite
Oh my
drinker.
gosh!
Sorry.
Tyler!
Sorry.
Oh! Sorry po.
Can you greet Vane a happy birthday, please?
Who?
No.
Tyler!
It's not scrolling.
No, it's lagging na noon.
Hi, Ate Rain. Advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vane.
Hey, Tyler, shout out all the way from Liluan.
From Ivan, go. Shout out.
Ivan?
Shout out Ivan from
You should learn
Piloan.
about
Hi.
Good.
You're so pretty, Ate Rain. Ate Rain, I saw you yesterday. You were... Shout out James Hunter!
Shout out James Hunter.
Boy, he's always
You know
shout
the guy at the
out.
McDonald's? In McDonald's, yeah.
What guy?
The one that we saw in McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
James Hunter. Oh, that's
Is it the vlog?
Yeah. shout out me.
See, I watch the vlogs unlike someone who
I
did
watched
not vlog.
every single one of
God.
them, good.
My effort to put those out in the world tapos you don't watch them.
I'm the first one that watches them.
Who is it? Oh, wait. Okay, liar.
My best friends are fighting.
First of all, we're not best friends.
Hello.
Yeah, we're not. You don't know that?
We're not kita. I mean, why is it only me? I'm not like. Can you?
Hi.
Hello, Clover friends.
Nasaan si
Oh, he's
Clover?
not a clover. He's the leaf.
Yeah, then Zadder's the stem.
Oh, yeah.
Understand. No, you know the...
Unsay buhaton sa tamad ka klase.
Yeah, guys, question and answer.
Pasigaw. Unsay
Nah,
sigaw?
Tyler, I upset guys. Why should he school?
Unsay sigaw?
Shout.
He's really gonna get scolded. Ano?
What?
Kasi you didn't go to school.
No, I told my parents no.
Ah, okay.
Ow.
Go Bison.
Yeah, he has the area, guys.
Hi, Ate Rain. Isang
I have
hot.
tanan na lang, pinaypay fit.
Are you crashing out?
Why is he like... You said it's over, but then I came back in with you.
Guys, you know the video where Reina laughs in the interview?
What are you talking about?
Allah, it's gonna
Ay, show pa na son! She keeps laughing at this video, bo.
Guys,
Sige,
I'll
go.
show it to
Sige.
you.
No one's gonna find it funny. It's not even that funny, bo.
It's funny. Everyone laughed at it.
Yeah.
See, Tyler agrees.
We're gonna slay it. Hey, she,
No,
What?
she's not allowed.
Okay, thank you.
you don't eat this?
Guys, watch this. Watch this. It's so funny.
An answer, I'm just left on red, make it make sense.
Just watch Reina.
There's no fake friend, but they didn't even watch my first hosting experience. They just will.
I want ASAP.
No, I watched you, Koan.
Shout out from Kuwait.
Shut up! You didn't even watch. You're just making fun of that video talaga.
What video?
Funny.
Oh yeah.
Fake friends.
Days.
Love from Palawan, Reina. You just went there.
Yeah, I love Palawan. Kahit na
Also,
itos ulan.
Shout out from like Kuwait, dude. Isn't that like in India?
Kaya mo yan.
Huh?
Where's Kuwait?
Ang good.
Africa?
That's a country.
Really? I know that's a new.
Oh, yes, in the continent.
They're all from Kuwait. Kuwait?
Oh my God!
Quiet!
Hi, Rain. Watching from Cebu.
I'm also in Cebu. Hey, matching.
Come on, come here. The address is...
Shut up.
Oh, thank you,
Rain,
thank you.
bye.
Bagay
Viral
daw ka.
hosting.
Bagay daw ka mag-host.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, guys. So, bagay, like... When are you, like, get another hosting,
No, next week. Can you just behave? Sige, she's so cute.
And you behave.
They are...
Kaya yung question for Tyler and Hershey kasi they're so like, right now, like...
adorable.
Please stop making weird
Oh, it's in the
Middle
Middle
East.
East.
Sample Cebuano accent.
Go, speak Cebu. Speak Cebu.
Me?
Speak Cebuano.
Ah!
Oh my God!
Speak Bisaya. Show Cebu pride.
For Hershey.
I'm Chinese.
Oh. Maayong adlaw sa mga Jijimundira.
Guys, she doesn't talk like that in Bisaya.
Unlucky house.
What do I say in Bisaya?
No, in Bisaya you go like,
Ikaw daw.
You talk like that.
Sample daw.
Exactly.
Eh, my Bisaya is so demure, guys. So.
Oh, yun lang na ako.
Mayong hapon.
Sorry.
My God!
Rain, come here, south of Cebu.
Ako
Where,
na yun.
Talisay? Okay, we'll go Minglanilla tomorrow.
Minglanilla.
I said
Is it Minglanilla or Minglanilla?
It's
The listeners
Mingla.
keep saying hi, Rain.
Hershey, kaldag, please.
What's
Uy, reply to
Kaldag?
you.
Sorry, that's
Reply to you.
confidential. Huh?
What time are we planning to go there?
Bantay ang Matrix.
What time is it? Should we go now?
Jisoo in Cebu. I'm
Oh!
Jisoo.
Guys, I'm in Cebu because...
Okay.
Because-
Bye, Ivan. Are you watching
Because-
right now? Let's go together. Let's go na.
Guys,
Jareen.
oh my god.
Sorry. Thank you for the ice cream. Thank you for the rose.
Yada's watching. Okay, Yada, what time are we planning to go there?
Yada!
I didn't know Yada's watching.
Oh, Ivan also.
How do you know Ivan's watching?
Oh my god. Magpakita. Oh, ka na, oh. Oh my god.
Wala
Where?
man.
Bro, I'm not stupid.
Boy, it's so fast!
Asa?
Kanina.
Yolanda? That's her?
Bro, that's Baguio.
No, Yolanda, that's the name.
There go Ivan, oh.
Where?
Haman!
Bro, what are you seeing?
What's wrong with you?
What's me? It's you guys.
Can you
Oh my
point
God.
it? Can you point it?
Wala naman nun. Wala. It's fast man. Good tayo. I forgot his name. Ivan, can you paramdam again? So guys, I'm here in Cebu because
What time daw?
Jisoo called me and she was like, I'm here in Cebu, we have to go
You
back.
guys want water? Eh, never mind.
There go oh my god. There go oh.
Oh, he's sending me roses.
It's
Thank you.
me, it's me.
No, he's sending it because I'm here. Jareen.
Rain, can you
What do you
subo me?
keep saying, Jaren?
Huy, sa sa paubuton ka sa IT Park.
Say thank you, say thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jaren
Thank you
Blue.
for what?
Bro, because they sent us gifts. Bro. Really?
Papara papa.
They sent me gifts.
I saw the
Tap,
tweet
and repost.
with you and Joram and Johan. Love kita.
He's so, bro. I was like, papa, was the answer.
Love kita.
I don't know.
No, are you serious?
Love, Reina.
Whoa, it made a sound.
Can you answer oh, Ate Colette? Hey!
Ooh,
Ate
hello.
Colette, si Ate Colette. This is Hershey, my best friend. This is my other best friend, Tyler.
No, it's not.
Shut up, you're not. Don't touch me.
What?
What is this? This is
Okay,
so
answer. Thank you, Ate Colette. I miss you. I love you.
Hello,
So proud
bro.
of you.
I can't
Hi,
see,
Ate
bro.
Colette.
Yeah, pas
Can you answer? Awa. Papa.
Big friend.
Gusto ko to.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I don't know.
Macdo, it's a good decision you chose me, not them.
Why would we be
Because
chosen?
we're not famous.
Why?
So Sophia's
Papa,
Smith.
Papa.
Isn't that Fiang?
Papa,
I have no
Papa.
clue. I'm not.
Rina, sugot ka, ikaw ang nagdarna ka, pero lansang man imo ka nun.
Wait, what's lansang?
Can you Tagalog that?
What's lansang thorns?
Probably.
Sa baang chew ani niyo eh.
Guys, you know Tyler chews with his mouth open.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Oh my God, my pet peeve is Tyler on.
Then he has pinaypoy feet, but you...
You're just jealous of me.
I just
You're
arrived
at
and
Thunder
then,
Chew. It's not only me.
Matrix?
That is still chewing.
why what happened?
Who's your favorite artist?
What Matrix?
I know, right?
Me.
What? You were supposed to dip this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Bro, read so fast.
Huh?
Love at first
What's
spike.
Matrix?
Me.
Huh?
Black Zone.
Stay random ka. Ano siya, San si Fiang? Nasa Cebu ako, bakit nandito si Fiang? Nabuang.
Guys, if you want to come, never mind.
Oh my
The
god.
address is?
I live in Mabolo, Kasambagan.
Subo.
Guys, I live in Talisay.
Wait, I'll get water.
Who's your favorite K-pop idol though?
Jisoo!
Jenny Kim.
No,
Just because Jisoo is in Cebu?
It's Nayon.
No, actually, his bias is Jisoo. man.
Actually, Jisoo did? Wow, really?
Amazing, no? Kamusta ang exam?
I love him Nayon.
We're done! Oh my God! I'm breathing now.
Good job.
You know, if you failed.
Then shut up, Tyler.
What did he say?
If you fail.
Thank you for the motivation.
Thank you, ha. Thank you. Cool. Taylor looks handsome.
Taylor?
Taylor looks handsome po, Ate Reyna. Hehe. Show your face,
I
babe.
can't tell if that's a compliment or not.
Sorry,
Because you
babe.
just called
Sorry,
me
there's no
Taylor.
Taylor here. There's only Tyler, so I believe.
Kailan ka sa Enhypen?
Hmm.
Yes.
I introduced Enhypen to Hershey before.
Yeah, she made me an engine.
What's his name? Jake? That's me.
Reina's
I
bias
just-
is Jay.
I just read Taylor
My bias
Swift,
is Jay.
dude, I just...
Uy, someone sa sabo lagi ang guy.
Huh?
Someone sa sabo lagi ang guy.
Sabat naman, guys.
Saba.
Nang luod.
What time will we go there?
Are you wearing shorts or pants? Pants.
Did she go home? Yeta, did you go home?
I think she did.
Wait, somebody's sending like...
Guys,
Childhood friend Nemo daw.
Tyler used to have a crush on... Tyler used to have a crush on me and Hershey.
That was like grade 4, dude.
Aw, guys. Our friend group is so attractive already.
Oh my god, will you shut up? You're so getting, oh my
That
god.
was grade 4.
But it's
No, they're
true.
gonna take it some... Oh my gosh, never mind.
Oh my
You know what
god.
Tyler gave us, guys?
Why are
for
you being
grade
so
four?
defensive?
Hey, vlog with Clover, Tyler plus Thunder. Aww.
I want guys, but I'm going back.
She's going back home na. Soon.
Ulan. Rain, rain, go
Someone said
away.
Rain attend prom.
Yeah guys, I talked about
We
it with my
just talked
teacher
about
kanina. And then I have to be there like for the practices as well. So like there's conflict where I'm trying.
I hope
What
she's
if you
there.
get invited to Bini? That's so cool. Shut up.
Yeah, I didn't see Yana, but Yana told us na we should go to intrams though. Because it's their intrams right now.
No, I wish you could see Yana.
What?
We would have had to so hard to
Okay,
choose language to speak.
the next time you come back here.
We were gonna go to Yana kasi bro, like we love Yana. But then like
Guys, you wanna
we don't
help
have time
me?
now.
Guys, help me.
Hersheyana.
Hersheyana.
Hersheyana. Are my favorite OFW couple.
What's your
Hala.
favorite Jaren song?
What's your favorite?
I don't listen to his songs.
That boy
Oh my
Jared.
god, why did you not?
Someone said you're half Chinese.
Didn't you say you were half Chinese?
Okay, let me explain. When I was in grade 4, and then Tyler was like, no, because Tyler likes me, magad.
Oh, ew.
No, can I talk?
He'll get cancelled for that.
That was grade 4. I was 10.
Yeah, but then now he's gay.
Oh my god, stop
Dude,
doing
Hershey.
that! They're gonna believe lagi. Guys, Tyler's not gay. So, the people who want to... I never
I'm
mind.
gonna kill you.
What did he say?
Secret.
Oh!
Never mind.
Nagtampo na si Tyler.
Guys,
Guys,
Tyler is
Tyler
straight,
is straight, guys. Please, Hershey's just so... Oh my god.
No one's gay in our friend group.
Just Hershey. Because her name is Bilchi Gay Hershey.
You released
so
my
corny.
whole name. They're gonna trace my birth certificate.
Lisa din na
Oh,
naggrabe.
wait a minute, wait. You think they...
Nagsugo.
So yeah, guys, when I was in grade 4, I told him I was half Chinese because I thought, because I'm young and everyone keeps asking if I
Oh, so
have
you
a
thought
blood.
so too?
And then I asked my mom if we have Chinese blood.
Blah,
And
blah,
she
blah.
did, can you be quiet? And then she did say na ay Chinese blood pero sa ilang side niya, medyo layo na. Then as a kid, I thought that meant I was half. So I told Tyler I was half. But he's pure Chinese, so he's yabang. He's like, really, eat this, eat this.
Tyler, oy.
Faker.
Sino bias mo sa
Oh my
Bini?
gosh, Jared Blues. Send TikTok. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the
Go do that, do that.
No,
When is
it's
Hershey's
okay.
birthday? Whoa, they're asking. February 28th.
No, she's February 29.
Is he pure Chinese? Yes, Tyler is pure Chinese.
Colonizer.
Oh. No, he's not half. He's full Chinese.
He's full
What are you
Chinese.
reading? I cannot-
100%. Shout out daw, Tyler.
Danica!
Oh!
Danica!
Love you, Hershey. Love you too. Will you
Will you
be at
be-
Hershey's birthday?
I will be.
Guys, no pressure, no pressure. We talk every day, so.
Wait, retreat. Oh my gosh, wait. When are you celebrating it? Oh yeah. When is that? This is Saturday,
We're
right?
gonna sleep over. You think boys are allowed?
Why you boy kasi?
Why are you a boy? You should have been a girl na lang.
Brie. Yan.
Huh?
Oh! Sorry, guys.
You know, Feb, what? I can't read that fast.
Wait, what time are we going there?
When Yeda goes to Ivan's house na, then let's go.
Okay.
Rain,
She's-
bro, what's
She's
up?
taking a Maxim to hit with
Chandelier.
Ivan.
Speak Chinese, Tyler, please.
Go. Go.
I was born here.
I don't know how to speak Chinese.
I'm gonna say, if I say Ching Chong, you're concern.
Yo!
I'm Chinese though.
Tyler, can you speak Chinese?
Ni hao.
Oh, one sentence.
How do I don't...
Someone said Tyler.
Kyung Hee.
What's yung?
It's like Kyung Hee. Kyung Hai.
Tyler Kyung Hai?
Oh, it's... I don't
Someone's
know.
asking Mandarin, Cantonese.
Both.
Both, pero you won't give us...
Guys,
sample.
I learned a Chinese phrase from Tyler.
Ni hao man no.
No? Neoping.
Okay, that's bad. Don't say that.
Neoping.
You know, Tyler was so yabang when we were bata. Like, he'd go to like older grades and
Wait.
he'd write Chinese in front of them.
Really? No way I did that.
Guys, back in grade
Shut
4,
up.
I
Tyler
remember
would...
because...
Tyler would
No!
Guys, Tyler
Wait,
would
what's
get...
yabang?
Hambog.
Hambog.
Really?
Guys, Tyler would get the whiteboard marker and go...
And then write Chinese.
I don't
na-
remember
He'll
this.
write his name in
That was not me.
Chinese.
That's not me. That's
I remember because I had a crush on Tyler. And
Hindi mo issue pa lang ka.
why?
Oh, you like Tyler ba?
Did they not?
What?
Did you like
I think you did.
Did they like you?
I don't know. I don't know. Probably. It's grade 4, bro. I don't remember
Yeah.
anything.
Whenever like...
I remember that I got accused of pushing Karaan down the stairs, though.
Oh.
Were you, Diamond?
Yeah, we were all
He's so
there.
issue. He's so issue in the section. Boy.
No,
He's like a
'cause-
bully boy.
I wasn't a bully. I was getting accused for everything. It was...
Uy, don't say that.
It was you guys.
No name dropping.
You were the bully and you were... No, guys. It's not serious bullying.
Someone said Tyrene.
Trigger warning.
Oh my gosh.
Trigger
please
warning.
no.
Oh my God.
Guys, I said it was before so that we won't get chip gun.
Grade 4.
Because Tyler is taken. Respect
Guys, Tyler
that.
has someone else.
And it's a girl. He's not gay.
Someone said Tyler Yana. Or is Tyler and Yana are from
Yeah.
the same school?
No,
Yes.
I'm from UC Med.
Shut up, Tyler. Yes, they're both from USC.
Oh no.
And then there's Carolinians watching.
Oh no.
Guys, are there Carolinians watching?
Why is there a Tyrene but no Hirschrain? Happy Valentine's Day.
Ew! It's so gross. Like, I saw tweets na they thought you were
Ew.
my tinatagong girlfriend. Oh! Guys, I would never date her.
Never.
She's so, like, red flag.
Hirschrain na
Thank you, thank you.
Kami.
There! Finally, yes, keep coming.
UC main campus. May college.
Guys, you know who's from UC?
California, USC.
Shanze or Telano. Someone's asking if that's a tattoo. No,
So,
guys.
Sorry, guys, while answering my exam, you know when you have to think. So I wrote a star. I don't know why.
Bata ting. Okay. I can't read. Walang baba, homies.
Huh?
Pahinge fries.
Walang baba.
Ay, pahingi.
Walang baba. What? Walang baba ang homies?
Walang baba.
What's baba?
Chin?
Baba, go down.
Ay, baba?
Wala.
Ba-
go
ba-
down.
I'm from
Hey,
California.
would you
Lalayag ba
ever-
ang Zelda?
Would you ever date
Guys!
Kai daw?
Who's Zelda?
Just what you're gonna read, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Zelda. Wait, what did you read?
Selma and Daez.
Have I
Guys!
ever met Kai?
Kuya
Yes.
Emilio Daez, bro.
Yes.
That's my kuya.
Guys, Kuya Emilio Aguinaldo.
Huy!
Reina Jeneline? What the freak?
What the freak?
What's
Guys,
your
hate to
university?
break it to you. We're not the love team there.
Who's the love team, Reina?
Rina, don't be in a love team, ha?
But they want me in a love team. What can you say about that?
I think she's like an independent woman who can stand on her own. She doesn't need a love team.
How about you? Do you want to see me in a love team or no?
He's just gonna paraphrase what I said.
No.
Okay,
I'm
go
just
make
gonna
your own
say,
words.
I'm just gonna say no because I'm not Jalan.
Ay, ay, ay. Sakto, George
Jari.
Hershey. Right?
How was the feeling? What? So fast, no?
Hmm?
What? How was the feeling that you're breathing the same air with Jesus?
IK.
I know, right? I can't believe it.
How's the feeling you're breathing the same air as me?
Guys, help me breathe.
Disgusting.
Shaba.
Ew! Did you fart?
It was my foot.
Oh my God.
Your
My
foot
Pinay
farted.
Pie feet.
Can you guys help me get? Hi Tyler. Oh no, that was your friend.
Oh, first impression of Kai. Hershey.
Maldita.
Hershey and
Or
Tyler.
Hershey.
Oh, you also. You
Huh?
say it first.
Mine is Maldito.
I've never talked to her. I've
Oh,
seen
they
her.
never met pa.
The first time I saw
I've seen
Kai.
her. I've seen her, but
Ah, you... Dude, Kaya,
Oh, yeah.
Kaya and Tyler used to go to the same school.
Yeah.
So,
What can you say? What was your impression?
I never talked to her though.
My God, impression na gani.
Impression mo?
Like,
Oh, it's a girl.
Oh.
Tyler, thoughts in Jaren, please.
my God, he keeps
Ah.
reading like...
My first
So-
impression of Kai. Wait, Misa.
My
Bantay lagi, it's cancelable.
okay, I won't say
The
that.
first time I saw Kai was when I watched the first episode of PBB.
What is
Dude.
that?
Yeah, nag-talk sila ni Reina. And then I was like, damn, they're both from Cebu, same age. And I hope they get along.
Oh, it's
What?
a girl.
Secret.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Tyler, manggod.
Hey, you wanted to hear what I was gonna say.
Okay, wait, what was he saying? Can you say it now?
The one I said last night.
Smirker.
Ah, okay.
My God.
Yeah, I like them.
Who's your bias in 1D?
Zane.
Oh, I like the
I remember.
dead
Oh my
boy.
God. Wait, what's it? The Liam Payne. God, my friends are so. Okay, anyway. Like, I remember, guys.
How are your friends?
Can you believe? Can you believe? Can you believe? Can you be quiet? Guys! Wait! I was watching PBB before and then you know, after PBB, di ba it ends late and then there's a news na panggabi,
Yeah.
news na pang nighttime. The first trailer ng news was Zayn leaving. Yeah, so I cried at night.
Oh, yeah.
I was grade 4.
Aw. Guys, you know that... Wait, did we
And then now, the first thing I learned when I went out of the
yeah.
house.
Oh, yeah!
Liam died.
Yeah, when I went out of the house, the first news is Liam dying. Oh my
Did you ever
God.
tell the world na pag grade 5 you had a clear pencil case and then it was filled with Zayn Malik pictures? Like as in front and back, guys.
I was grade 2 by the
Even
way.
inside. No, I was grade 5.
I was grade 2.
You went to my classroom, you were grade 5 Sapphire, I was grade
was
5
grade
Garnet.
2.
No.
I was grade 2.
No.
Okay,
Somebody said thank
this is
you.
what happened, guys.
Hi,
So,
Hershey from Samar.
I was copy pasting a Zayn Malik picture in Google and printing it, but I didn't know. I copy pasted the whole website.
Tapos sabi, quiet.
Like the whole thing. So I have so many small pictures of Zayn Malik, and I didn't want to throw, so I pasted them all in my pencil case.
That's why it was so...
How do you remember so much stuff from grade 5?
It was
Because
filled
I lived my life.
to the fullest.
My life started when I was like grade 9.
Huh? Namukha.
I don't remember anything from like grade 9 down.
Yeah, you know, guys, how Tyler was in school when grade 4.
Okay, that's
Like
that's-
he'd go like
Ah!
he'd go to school with his hair like super gelled, like
Wait, really?
Yeah,
yeah,
me and
super
Joram
gelled.
used to have the
oh,
same
with style.
gel.
I almost said it.
Style
Like,
like,
Grabe, like you can see the strands separated because of the gel, and then he'd be eating his canned tangerines.
oh my god.
I remember.
You know how Tyler confessed to
Remember?
us? He confessed to us.
Okay,
like,
okay. That's enough. That's enough.
What did he confess to you?
That's enough. Hershey.
What did he confess to you?
No,
He said,
I don't even remember.
How
I
did he
just know
confess
it's
to you?
bad.
yeah, girl. I was like, I like you.
Oh, don't say
Oh my
it. He's
God,
gonna get
I
cancelled.
remember it now.
It was grade 4,
say
it's
that.
okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, the verification in IG. I'm trying to do that.
I nag-confess.
Guys, help me.
No, Tyler did not confess. He was a torpe.
Hey.
He
Ikaw ha?
you know
It
how
was
he did it?
torpe.
Shy.
Tarpe?
Oh, I thought it was like
Tarpedo?
Digimon.
Why do you keep saying that word?
No, I just thought.
It was grade 4, bro.
Anyway.
From Taiwan, no?
Oh yeah, wait, I have a question.
That's
What
crazy.
does gidle mean?
Gilid.
Side?
Oh.
I kept seeing comments like that. Something sa gidle.
Are you still in
That's what I
Palawan?
noticed, like, sa online, everyone's like, changing
Mixing
the
up
words. Yo, what's the other one?
It's like... It's,
Like,
it's,
oat. Nahiya na si oat. And it's tao pala.
no, that's,
Oh,
that's
really?
gilingo. That's gilingo.
Hmm?
Yeah, they flip the word around. Like, when they say sorry, it's like euros.
Are you?
I mean, wait. No, like, goodbye.
You can beat my life.
Guys, we missed Niall, Shanze, and Tyler. Ay, Sander.
Yo guys, we can't be complete. I'm so sad. College girls kasi sila eh. OAT? Oh, it's OAT, not OAT.
Tyler Bias Wrecker.
Tyler Bias Record? Oh, that's a new thing.
What? What is
No, everyone's
Sorry,
bias record-
OAT.
Everyone's bias record is Niall, no?
Yeah.
I'm saying everyone should.
Yo,
Tyler Bisaya Core, please.
what did you read?
Why?
I lost it. Okay, I'm dyslexic.
Why, what was it? What was it?
I don't know. I was reading it this long and I was trying to read it.
Shanzay, my bias. Spell it right first.
And everyone misspells her name.
Even you.
No, I don't.
Well, spell it big.
ZHANNCE.
Wow!
Hi, next.
Impressive. Rain, hapit na akong board exam. Go, goodness. Oh my God, I'm from Surigao! Guys, I'm from Surigao
She's
del
from
Norte.
Surigao. Good
Hello.
luck. God bless you sa board exams.
Are we even
Impression though of Jarian though.
Can I double dip?
Yeah, no cares.
Okay.
Sing daw. Your new song.
Wait, can you sing a song?
Hello guys. Oh, they heard my song na.
So good, guys.
Star Music.
Did you listen to it already?
Yeah, when you showed me.
Hala, province ko yun, Surigao del Norte.
You're not Del Norte, di ba?
I'm Norte.
Ah, Norte.
No, you're not. You're Hershey.
I get confused of Del Norte and Del Sur. I'm not in Palawan anymore. As you can see, I'm with the Cebuanos.
Asa sa Surigao. Secret, maybe you'll find
Hershey
my
is
dad.
my bias. Panghatag Rave from Salon.
What did you say? I'm your bias?
No, I'm reading it.
What? What did you say?
I'm reading it. Mag-concert ba daw ka? Hershey, my bias.
I'm your bias?
Oh my gosh. Hi, chocolate. Is it chocolate? Chocolate.
Where's Yeda?
Someone said invite Yana to your birthday, Hershey. Huh? I'm not gonna celebrate my birthday.
Why? Oh, you're having
Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro!
Hi. Hi, Cagayan.
Hershey skincare reveal, guys. You know, fun fact,
I don't do skincare.
Tyler, Reina, and Niall are
What
like
else?
skincare queens.
I love it. Like, before I used to like really
It feels
search
so
about it.
nice.
Guys, like, they're so amazing. Like, when they ask, like, what products they use, they'll be like, oh my gosh, I also use that.
And then Xander and Hershey goes, oh.
Like,
Like,
what? Use that?
I'll ask Hershey, oh, what cleanser do you use?
Water.
Katong puti, good, like, whatever way.
It's pink.
I'm saying like last year. Like, I didn't even ask this year.
You know, Sander just uses anything whitening.
Oh my
You know,
god.
you know, somebody told Sander that basta like, if he turns white down more, daw siya daming sa.
Yeah, so nagpuputi siya ron.
Yeah,
He
nagpuputi
keeps
siya.
wearing long sleeves. Niya,
Long sleeve, umbrella.
Magpayong.
No, he's Moreno.
Yung is Moreno, beauty man.
Embrace.
Why is
See,
it so silent?
see, magulat ka kung maingay.
What? You know my score for Filipinos. Like,
I spoke Tagalog and he didn't understand it. He was
What
like,
did you say?
I was just like, magulat ka kung hindi maingay. And he was like, what? And I just looked at him. He was like, you know my score in Filipino.
But Tyler is smart man, but like, everyone has flaws. His flaw is just Filipino. That's just an easy flaw.
I hate philosophy also.
Yeah, guys, I'm smart, but my flow is calculus.
I love calculus.
Same.
Shut up. My favorite is fractions.
Oh yeah, Rena's good at fractions.
Guys, I'm actually
You know
smart.
that?
I'm actually smart in Math man siya, ano
She
ba?
can do like really quick math.
5/22 plus 3/17.
Next question. Oh, the star on my face, guys. You know there was a star kanina, but then like it flew away, so like
Are those pimple patches or those just stickers?
it's a pimple patch, and then I put a star on top. My God, you fake fan.
Oh,
I didn't
but
even
we
know.
explained that in
I
our
don't even know.
vlog.
You be quiet.
Like
You-
anyone
oh my
there
God,
knows.
Pinoy. Uy, Pinoy, can you eat the last one?
Guys, we
I'm
have
so
explanation
full,
for the
bro.
star
I'm-
sticker in the upcoming vlog.
What?
Secret.
Uy, finish the last one. Uy, sumuko.
Wait, I ate like a full meal before I ate that.
I'm so full.
You said you're bulking.
Okay, fine, I'll eat it because
Okay, I'll eat it.
Never mind. Uy, don't force yourself.
you,
That's
me,
gluttony.
you. Okay, ako na lang ha.
Tarlac. Hi, Ulan. Ulan is rain, right?
Guys, you know before, like, dugay na, my dad calls Reyna Ulan. Right? So cute. Shout out Abraham Lade.
Abraham. Ay, Tito Abraham.
Kai is watching. No, she's not.
Yeah, that's right. He's my dad. Guys, watching?
Shout out to my father,
think so.
Abraham Lade.
She's not.
Guys, fun fact guys, my last name's actually Lade, not Laid.
Rain Risky.
What's your P?
I don't know. There's
Shout
three.
out from Surigao City.
Who's the
Hey,
smartest
let's
among
go,
you three?
Surigao.
Who's the smartest dog?
Not Tyler.
Shanzi.
Shanzi.
Trigani.
But Tyler's smart, you know his.
Tyler's the smartest out of us.
Guys,
three.
Tyler is high honors.
Yeah, Tyler is like.
I
Come
got
on,
it,
Tyler,
okay.
flex, come here.
Flex what?
Who was the
Flex
highest
your
score in
brain.
calculus last year? Pahambol. He was so humbug sa atin last year.
I know, right?
What happened last year?
How do you live your life? Like, are you on like times 2?
Out.
OAT pala yun, OAT. Was it a broken heart?
Let's go, Surigao del Norte.
Was it Kyron broken heart?
What's everyone commenting Surigao del Norte now?
Nosebleed na us.
Ay, no, I've never seen
Guys,
that.
stop speaking English daw lagi.
Okay.
Nosebleed na us.
Tyler, speak
Tyler,
Tagalog.
daw.
I can't speak Tagalog.
Why?
I really can't speak Tagalog. Wait,
Kaya naman na, good.
what's that like really long word in Tagalog?
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakapagabag.
You know, I can say that.
Nakapag
That's my biggest flex.
Nakakapagpagababag.
Nakapagpagabagab.
Why are you adding so much other
No,
syllables?
that
Or yung adding like pinaka-pinaka.
Oh my God.
Ano naman ang pinaka?
My dugo went out.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakapagpagababag. What? Again.
Pagabagab.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag.
Nakabag.
Nakakapagpagabagab.
Babagabag.
Nakakapagpagababag.
Pagabagab.
Mukha ni mong babag.
Pagabagab.
Nakakapagpagabagabag.
Nakakapag. Follow me everyone.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag. Tyler.
My God, patience.
Ikaw, what? Nakakapag.
Nakapagag.
Nakakapag.
Nanakapag.
Nakaka.
Nanak. Oh, freaking balls. Nanakapag. Pagabagab. Damdamin.
Nakaka.
Nanaka.
Okay, let's do it by freaking syllable. Na.
Na.
Ka.
Ka.
Nanakawag.
Oh my God, can you follow?
Na.
Na.
Ka.
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 Bagabag.
Ah, wrong na noon ko. Ambot nito.
What? Wait lang guys, my mom's calling.
Oh, you can do it. Oh, okay.
So you get ready. Wrong.
I'm gonna tell my mom if I'm gonna check my mom's app.
Damn, Jared Blues be sending so much. Thank you. Rain, when is your album launch? Wala pang date, but
Star Music PH.
soon. One song na lang kulang eh.
Nanakapagpagabagab.
Nakakapagpagababag.
Oh my gosh, I think that's the truth. Tagalog here.
Pagabag.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapagpagabagab.
Pagabagag. Ay, wrong na ko.
Nakakapagpagbagabag. Oy! Nakakapagpagabagabag.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
The very
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Ano mo yung
most.
scoliosis na which is...
Scoliosis?
Huh?
What's wrong with you?
He also heard it. You said it.
Sorry.
From Dumaguete, call Kai. Mine Hershey, Irene.
Literally
Don't see
everything.
Rain. Tyler's house. Secret!
No, this is not Tyler's house. This is my dog's house.
Yeah, it's a dog.
My dog's house.
What?
JC Escalante.
Gotta know what to do. Gotta bite down the throat. See the reason.
Call Yana.
Call Yana daw. Oh, call Yana.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll call Yana. Kasi she was inviting us to go to her house noon.
What do you think is busy?
No, she's in school. It's in Trumps.
Rina, is this iPhone 16?
No way, bro.
Rina.
What?
Is
Why
that
is no sound?
Is that iPhone 16?
Yeah. Why?
Oh, there's like 2 buttons on the side. Oh no. Krishlu.
Huh?
What is that sound so ugly? Sorry.
Oh, Yana didn't answer. I think she's busy, dude.
I think she's playing, guys. It's in Trumps. You know, you gotta have fan. You have fan.
Guys, Yana's busy.
And then Tyler's supposed to be there, but like, I don't know why he's here with us.
Because I'm an athlete.
Guys, can you make selfie? I'll send it to my mom. Or video. Say hi, Tita Merochi. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Tita Mirarochi! Hi, me. Hi, me. Nakita mo si Jisoo Rain kasi kinol niya ako tapos pinapunta niya ako sa...
No, Blackpink Jesus
Hotel.
our friend.
Can you tell me what you just said?
Shanzi Hortolano.
Oh, siya si Hortilano. I don't know Jisoo.
Did you see Niall's tweet? Like, will you watch the Blackpink concert? And she was like,
You're so cute!
what's that, nanay?
Oh, did you watch Baby?
I watched the clips.
Them.
Oh, damn.
Guys, did you see my tweet 2 days ago? Look at
Yeah.
Blackpink Jisoo.
Yeah. Guys, I think I want to end the live because like, I want to poo.
Oh, this is what you meant. This is what you meant.
I have wet wipes.
Bro, we're in the house.
By like she farts.
I didn't even fart yet.
No, because Tyler always farts also. And I tell him, oh my gosh, you're like Rina.
I think my watches PvP.
Guys, my best friends are very gaseous.
I just
Where's your
fart
dad?
in the car.
Undoing na daw to, I have friends.
Bayanos undoing na daw.
Okay, go na ta.
Yeah, let's go. Do you guys want to go with us to our patutunguhan or no na?
Patutunguhan?
Patutunguhan, say it.
Patutunguhan.
Good job! Good
Oh,
job.
I
Good
thought
job.
you said katotohanan.
Okay, guys, can you entertain them? Okay, you will go with us.
How are you going?
I'll go to the CR.
She's gonna go, guys. Let's bring...
Let's dance renegade. Did you fart?
Ayun.
Do you want? I can go get.
You're gonna go.
I don't know the size though.
No, but it looks good. She looks good with baggy jeans.
Is it Clara?
Yeah.
Oh, boss. You need pants or pants?
Pants and pants.
I have fun.
Okay.
Go to the You go to them, bro.
Okay, guys, what do we say?
Wait, Reina.
Just walking backwards.
I don't think my pants are fitted though. They're like really big.
Wala. Trust.
No, like they're big.
Trust in me.
Huh?
Yeah, I saw it.
Don't be stressed, bro. It's okay.
Why is this red?
No, like my pants are so big.
No, it's not.
Bay, okay lagi, bay.
But I wear
No, like
baggy
they're like.
Mapilo raman, bay.
Oh, it's baggy for me. Like I step on the floor with it.
It's okay.
Okay,
You need a belt?
what do I do to the
I
camera?
need a belt to wear.
Guys, I don't know.
Oh,
House tour. Okay, so I'm just gonna distract you because we got something going on right now. So, over here, over here, the Christmas tree. Guys, do you wanna like ask questions about Reina? And I'm gonna answer them. Because I gotta like save the world. My emergency kasi and I have to entertain. But I'm so red. What happened po? Oh, nothing serious. Talking stage with Hershey. House tour. This is not my house, guys. I'm shy man. Where's Tyler? Love you too. Tyler house? Yes, this is Tyler's house. Kwento about Kyrene. Hala, pula jud ko bay. Ano man ni? Oy, allergies? Doesn't even look that bad. Hey, go, I'll give it to her. Your turn to talk to the camera. Come on.
I can't talk to the camera. Wait, I can't talk to the camera. No, let's both give it to her.
Wait, kita. Put it up, yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Reina,
Let's put it here for now.
open the door.
Wait, one of those is Dustin's belt.
Ow!
Wait, Reina?
Reina, one of those is Dustin's gun.
Wait, I was supposed to give it to her.
Okay, what does it look like?
It's just, it doesn't have power.
Reina, can you give me one of the belts? She doesn't.
Are you sure?
Which one?
This one, Dustin's.
Hi guys, so someone said mine Tyler, someone said cute mo Tyler.
Hi. No, this is not my house. This is just an Airbnb.
Hershey spill some tea. Guys, ask us questions about Reina.
Hurry up before she comes.
Hershey, unsa imong degree na gusto?
Thoughts about Nile and
Psychology.
Nile and Johan.
Johan. Did you just say Joel? Okay. Okay guys, let's talk about Nyland.
What's your age? Okay. I'm 22.
And I'm 25.
Where's Sander?
Aww.
I don't know.
Guys, we told Xander to go. What do you mean you don't know?
He's in school.
Yeah, and he's supposed to be at school lagi. Who's Reina's crush?
Crush. Oh, okay, I can't do that
Reina
fast.
has no crush.
Who's Joel? The transformer downstairs. Okay. Hey.
Ha ha ha. Thoughts on Kyrene? We love Kyrene. Cebu power, Cebu pride. Can Reina hurry up, my?
Thoughts about Nile and Johanna Bug.
I ship. Why do we keep going away from the camera?
I don't know. This is fun.
Yeah, this is
Rainis. Say Rainis.
It's Rain Reese. Do you celebrate? Huh?
Motto for Kyrene.
Morag.
Ambut? What? Wait, can you make it?
Hirsch Rain or Rain Nile? Rain
Oh
Nile.
shoot, they do. What was the thing that she made the comments bigger?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. How to do this?
How did she do that?
How do you guys make the comments bigger?
How do you make it bigger?
Oh, I'm liking my
Did
own.
Oh no! What okay?
Her account's gonna get. Happy birthday, Hershey.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Guys, Tyler is 18 years old. Mag 18 pa lang ko, yes. What's your...
My manliligaw ba si Rain? Oh. Ubo.
Are we cousins daw? No, we're siblings.
She's my sister.
He's my kuya.
Course
What's
in
your
college.
course? Go, you answer it. Yes, his course is so impressive.
I'm going to take chemical engineering.
Shut up!
Okay.
Taking civil.
Wait. What did she say?
Hershey, when ka balik Manila? Next week!
Tyler,
Kidding.
sana ma-meet mo
Kidding.
si Kai in personal. I've met her, just never
We met
talked
na
to her.
last year because
Sayang.
guys from USC. Hershey, Tyler dance.
I'm not dancing. I suck at dancing.
Aren't you gonna dance on Thursday or something?
Yeah.
Guys, you're gonna dress up as Lapu-Lapu.
TMI for Rain. Her name is Reina. Tyler, can I have your last name? No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're sorry, don't say sorry.
Oh, I'm not sorry. Mine, alcohol.
Memory, what's your favorite?
What is alcohol?
That's
Wait,
bad. Don't
it's
say
okay, they can't say it.
that. You know
Alcohol?
You know she got shaduban because I was drinking from a... Shucks, no, that's not. Like, the for Pangkalino cancer. Is she done?
So stressed.
Does it fit?
Oh, it looks good! Guys,
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
look at her new fit.
come on,
Those
bring
look
this
like
money.
the-
It looks good! It looks
I
good.
just bought that from Shopee, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Are they not falling off?
Guys, it looks so
They fall off on me.
I mean, it is, pero I don't mind kasi I wear it like that naman.
Yeah.
Oh.
You sure you don't need a belt?
I think everyone knows what's going on now.
Hey, but your top matches the pants na noon.
Yeah, I need to wash my stuff.
Oh, there's an arrow in my head.
Alright.
Okay.
Sabi ko sa iyo,
I look like Shotty. Oh my gosh. Here we go again.
For a reason.
No, Shotty is my brother.
Guys, Tyler's my kuya. Tyler's my kuya.
Hershey, what will you do on your birthday?
A simple celebration with my besties.
Rain, favorite place? Not Manila. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Anywhere with us?
Is Rain your cousin po? Yeah, she's my second degree cousin. Her mom's cousin is my dad.
Quiet, no, be quiet. Tyler, where did you buy your pants?
Shopee.
Tyler, you look like that one TikToker, the Korean.
Oh, really? Dude, there's so many.
You're so fake!
Punta ba kayo sa album lunch ni Rain?
I hope
I don't even know
so.
when it is.
Why is September 16 the friendship day?
Ganda ng
Okay.
bahay niyo, Tyler. Oh, thank you. It's not mine though.
Nung mo na siya. Okay, I'll tell you. Oh, what was that? I'll tell you why our friendship anniversary is September 16. It's because pag 2023, it was Tita's birthday, February 5th. September 15. And then we surprised Tita. We went to their house like that. And then we had a sleepover. So yeah, September 16 is our friendversary. Yes, we did.
No, we did not.
What's your height, Tyler? I'm 6'3".
We joke, you guys.
No. That's not what happened.
Yeah.
I swear I slept in your house. I remember.
Oh!
What? Ay! Sorry, guys.
What?
What?
Okay, back.
Guys, we're not meant for it lives.
Friend niyo si Shot. Anyway.
Can you like not say everything?
Plan on Valentine's.
She's gonna go to Cagayan.
No, I'm not.
Kidding. Kidding. What do I say? Bias in 17. I don't stand by. I don't stand 17. Hershey concert when? Oh, my concert is actually on March. Guys, I'm so sorry if you're not pull on with me because like I'm stalling time, you know. Blackpink, guys, I'm Chico. So I'm like a hardcore Blink, but you know, I don't think I can ever go to a concert, you know. Someone's asking if I'm gonna be at Tomashan.
What's a Tomashan?
Lord.
You
Ikaw
stay.
na bahala, Lord. Yes.
Sing Hershey. Don't
Yes.
sing, please. Don't sing.
Kasi like an opera.
Asian Syrian, no? No, she's American. It's si Bias, Yuna, and Yeji.
Yuna! Mine's Yuna and Yeji also. I follow.
Daniel Padilla or Alden?
Let's manifest that Hershey. Yes, please. Thank you.
Hershey. Song cover ni in YouTubers.
Guys, I'm not a singer.
Aespa Bias. Aespa Bias.
Espa?
Karina.
Karina.
Twice Bias. Nayon.
Cheong.
I know everyone.
Cheong. I like Cheong.
It's like Cheong, but not
Cheong is a
really.
baddie.
First impression to Jaren.
Guys, just
He's
hold
guapo.
it in.
He's
Ha,
guapo.
Reina's coming na. Oh, she's so cute.
Oh
Aww.
my gosh, okay, turns out yes,
Guys, naging-picture na si Reina. That's why.
that's crazy. Bobo Boy's friend, Blackpink Bias, Jisoo. Next
Jenny
question.
Kim.
Cutie Pie Tyler, thank you.
Sing pop pop pop.
Sing.
What a journey!
Oh, welcome back. Finally.
What a journey!
Guys, she's back.
What did my friends do in this?
Someone said love love Tyler.
Love
Baby
Reina.
Monster. Baby Monster Bias. 3, 2, 1. Rami.
Who's Baby
This is
Monster?
Rami. It's Rami, guys, but also Roku.
We like Rami, but like Asa is bias wrecking me.
Guys, it's not Ihi. This is the
Tyler
Dance
Dance.
TT.
Guys, look at fit check.
No, please.
360.
Fit check. It's because I have a butt.
Oh.
Uy.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Yes, thank you. Guys, I hope you weren't bored.
Yes, po. Hey, here's
No, I asked for help. Oh, this is mine.
$8.
$8.
$8. Oh.
Paparapapa. Huh?
I like reading comments lagi. Hershey looks like Ashtin. Who's Ashtin?
Mine aircon
Oh my
daw.
gosh, Reina just told me that.
I said, I know, right? I see it.
Yeah.
I see it.
Thank you. She's so pretty, baya.
Bini Bias. Mikale.
Mika Lim! We do have the same biases.
Isn't she from Cebu or something?
Should we go now?
Yeah, she was born in Cebu. We should go now. Guys, Rina, you say bye to your friends.
Is that Tyler's house? No, this is an Airbnb. We're in Mabolo right now. If you want to come visit us, we're in Mabolo. That's your job to find us. Do twice, cheer up. No, isa ka dancing.
What are you saying?
They're telling me to dance twice.
Go cheer up, cheer up.
I suck at dancing. Macdo or Chowking.
Makdo!
No comment. I mean, there's a comment.
No. Paparapapap.
Macdo all the way.
Makdo all the way. But I love the show pa in... Okay, fine.
No, shut up.
Rino!
Hi, Tocino.
You say Tocino? Guys, fun fact, we both love Tocino. Don't you? I'm gonna punch you, boy. Oh, another na po.
Hi.
Guys,
Thoughts about...
ask
Ah.
questions about Reina.
Oh.
We're gonna answer.
Yeah, but don't let her know.
Yeah, don't let her.
Tagalog challenge. Ako, I see.
Ask questions about Reina,
Tyler.
guys. Like, what's her...
Name. Use hydrogen peroxide sa stain. Wala namang stain.
But Reina is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen.
Hi, ate ka. Ka?
Ate ka?
Do we go now?
Yeah.
K-pop survival show.
Do you want to go with us?
Who? Them. Tyler? Ay.
To the car. Do you want to go with us?
What's wrong with you?
Hala, oy? Tyler, don't worry. I'll bring this back. Through my brother.
Okay. You'll just like ship it to me? That's crazy.
No, they're like classmates, right?
Yeah, just
I mean schoolmates,
send it
yeah.
here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Guys, we're gonna go And Tyler's gonna drive us because Reina and I are tired of driving.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where's that? Where'd you guys go?
Palawan.
Like where? Is that
I think I left them. Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna check it.
I saw Fiona wearing heels in the queue.
Lagi, she didn't bring anything eh.
She was wearing heels in the queue.
It's giving the same vibes as when Reina went hiking and she was wearing
Wala, I was
sandals.
checking my things.
I'm not going hiking.
Yo, Lugi.
You know, I was talking about it
You
with
come
him
here
and
like
he
once
said
a
no.
week.
He said he was to
Is it
hike
my
when
fault?
you're here now.
Oh,
Yeah.
belt.
Reina, you wanna hike?
Hindi, it's just
I know you want to hike.
It's just online. It's nice, Lugi.
You want me to send it? Take 800 pesos.
What the hell?
Ay, ito to Reina na lang, then you buy another one for yourself.
Wow.
Which car are you using?
Fit check.
Let's use the Range Rover.
Yeah.
Bruh. Hey, stop, guys. He's kidding. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at the design of that feet.
We're gonna come back here now.
Pinoy boy feet. Ay.
We're gonna come back here now.
Yeah, because we gotta get my car back.
Okay, okay.
Guys, we're gonna ride a Range Rover.
What time will you come back here, Joy?
Huh? Tyler, do you have to be back at a certain time? No?
Probably not.
Did you ask permission?
Yeah, my mom does that.
Okay.
I just left my decision.
My god. Why is he like that? Hello, Kuya. No, I don't wanna go front. You go front. I'm gonna go to the room.
Oh, yeah.
Can you put there, please?
Where's Dustin's belt with you?
He
Digimon.
left it here.
Huh?
Can I leave something in my car, sa?
Digimon said go.
BRB, sorry. Thank you. Love you, guys.
My god.
Welcome to my Range Rover.
Can you shut up? Well, stop looking at your pants. It's mine now.
You know the size of those?
What?
That's 2XL.
Really?
Yeah, those I'll give those to you now.
It's okay. I'll get it.
I'll just buy
I'll buy it myself.
Let me send you the link.
Yeah. Bago na ni?
I used that like twice. Because my mom hates those.
Huh?
You know, the first time I went out, she was like, Jerson.
He doesn't like...
Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayaw niya loose pants?
Huh?
Ayaw niya baggy?
Because she was like, those are so ugly. And I was like, and I spent my own money. Wait, I'll send you the link.
You wore this to Taiwan.
Did I?
I
Yeah, I
think.
did.
Yeah, no?
Okay, more than 2 times then. But just a few times. That's true. It's like a tiny shop, Jude.
Really? Let me use that.
What's up, losers?
Sansi Hershey.
It got cheap.
Hello!
Ay, wala pa din.
Or do you want me to send it to you?
Wherever you can.
What are you talking about?
Like, what if it will get
This
like
one.
piled up?
No.
What if it will get like
Messenger.
piled up?
It's even nice.
It's nice, feel it.
She's just a hater.
I didn't say Digimon because of
Oh my
that.
Ay.
gosh, wait.
I just said Digimon because of him.
The video I sent, it didn't even send. Lord.
Thanks.
It's 30 seconds.
Wait lang guys, I'm so stressed right now. Cebu tour.
Okay, you know
We're
when
going
you-
to...
After...
What side is that? North?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we're going to the
She
north.
rode and she was like,
North.
why do you
North
do this
side,
to
beauty
yourself?
stand.
Why? Who did that?
You.
Oh, we did it last time?
It's my lip balm.
And why do you do this to your belt? And I was like, what did I do?
Wait, that's me? Lol, I forgot. Sorry.
May I ask picture with you?
Huh? Yeah. They're so cute.
What did they say?
Tyler, where do you have ang
Oh, they puppy. Oh yeah. Oh really? Sorry guys, I was connected to the Wi-Fi.
It's okay, Reina.
Okay, I'm not gonna tutok it to the driver.
Wow.
Can you open the on top? Open it, Hershey.
Oh, wait, no. High Range Rover.
My God, guys.
High BYD.
Open mo.
He's trying to.
Oh my gosh.
Can't you just
Hindi ka marunong.
Open the sunroof. Hello?
So that I can put my head out before we go to the highway.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, BYD.
My God, you can just do it yourself, Mandy. Ay, my God.
I'll do it. You drive.
Oh.
You can press it together.
No, you can't probably not.
Then how do you open the ano?
Operation failed. Please operate manually.
Oh,
No.
wait, you can open the whole thing?
No, only this one, but you can open the whole sunroof.
Ah.
Hindi na, okay lang na.
Oh.
Hey! This is the life.
Oh, ka-cute. Oh, you saw their video, guys. Katang silang 3 girls on top and then the boys are just nonchalant there. Wait lang. After the guard, because I'm shy.
Is there.
Oh, we're gonna come back.
Go.
Woo! Hi, Kuya! I'm living life. Oh my God. Why am I alone here? Can you stand up, Hershey?
It's kind of hard.
Go, Hershey, faster. We're gonna go to the highway now.
Chong, come on.
We can do this in the highway, no? Can we do this in the highway?
Oh, what's up? What's up?
Hello.
Oh, I wish Niall and Shanzi were here.
Can we do this, really?
I guess so, yeah. If there's a-
Really? Oh my God, wake up! Yeah, thank you. And I'm almost yeah! Yeah!
Ay, the pulling. I wish Lander and
Putik,
Tyler.
the driver is so... What? Okay, can I close this? Okay, later na sa free... Because going there is medyo, ano...
How do you do that?
Thank you, that was a fun experience. Oh, I miss Nelson and Zander. Zander.
I wish we were like 6 out of 6.
Rain for me, you're the... That was giving na.
Do we close this also?
No.
If you want to.
Huwag na.
No.
We're gonna come back later.
Okay.
We're gonna come back. Who's driving? Tyler on.
The dogs
How I used to be. Ay.
What's
Hala,
doxing?
Dogs is like same with full name.
Right now, you can't tell.
Name drop.
Bunso, baka maban ka. Guys, should I just end?
Rina,
What?
did you finish your Coke float?
Yeah, I did.
It's bigger than that pa.
Oh my God, sorry if I drink fast, if I eat fast. My God!
Who is this diva?
Hershey Lane.
You.
We're gonna visit our friend. That's it. That's all I can say.
Oh look, they're all UC.
Oh yeah.
Right now, can't tell.
That's like Chloe Tampos uniform.
What is that school itong?
When I'm gonna have money, this is the car I'm gonna get.
What?
When I make my money.
This one?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
like it.
can you get?
I like, I
Put a
like it.
charger in your house.
This is ano E?
Yeah,
Really?
100%.
What's the E?
Electric siya. That's why I like it. I like the interior.
It's a home.
I'm in love.
Kasi, wait.
You
Manifest.
can flip it.
Oh really?
Hi to Shanzay.
Shanzay Nile! I miss you. Kabumbakata, kabungkati.
I don't think I understand.
Sorry.
Hey, we should have vlogged today, no?
I know, right? Did you start vlogging yesterday? With me?
The vlog starts now.
Okay, we're gonna vlog, guys.
The vlog starts now.
Okay, we're gonna vlog. Bye-bye.
Hi, guys. No, where are you leaving?
Rain daw, logging third wheel daw. I'm third wheeling you guys though.
No, thank you.
No, it's not like that.
Guys, we're all siblings.
Guys, there's no mag-jowa in our friend group kasi we don't like
Because
ganyan.
that's toxic.
Yeah. Uy, baka there are people like...
Sorry, no offense.
It's just that, personally, we don't want... Ayaw namin.
I brought Reina to McDo yesterday.
Did she got scolded?
No, nag-drive through kami.
How about the cashier?
Uy, wala mo.
Actually, nice lang siya.
Nag-camp to Reina.
Tyler, third wheel daw.
Yeah!
Kanang may sakto.
Kaya may sakto.
Actually, none of it is up.
Wag and... Paano kami mag-vlog?
Ha?
Wag daw mag-end. Kaklingin ninyo eh.
let's vlog. Vloggers na.
I know it.
Kulang na lang i-change ang YouTube name to Sixtro.
Ito. It's more of Sixtro than Clover.
I know, right?
What's up YouTube channel
Okay.
na I'm always absent in?
Okay, wait.
That sounds so sad.
Okay, wait. We gotta like film like a lot while Reina's here, ba?
This is good plan.
Like if Reina's here, we have to film like 5 billion videos para.
It's because when I'm here we just enjoy mga good cause.
Yeah, we enjoy
Sorry,
our
mga good.
time. Yeah, but like,
Can you stop videoing me alone?
why? Why not?
Are you videoing me?
Doing both of you.
Really?
Guys, my best friends, guys. Insert shout out Andre Talag.
Sama daw sila sa vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Reindeers. So right now we're going to visit our friend.
Happy birthday, bro.
Justin Samson.
We're gonna visit our friend, my lovely friend.
And Tyler is driving his Range Rover.
I love my Range Rover.
Yeah, anyway. Romanticizing life.
Yeah, kasi I'm gonna go back.
Let's stop. You know, your fans are so clingy.
Yeah, my friend, my friend, no. I don't wanna call it fans.
Friends.
Friends.
Family.
My family.
Yeah.
Guys, you're so clingy.
You should call them like friends. You know?
It's my dears.
Oh my gosh, that's a great name, but okay.
Ah, oh my god. Haters.
Oh, I remember Xander said that's his favorite quote.
Stop!
That's his favorite quote. What?
Oh, I can touch you.
Actually, oh.
Let's go.
I miss Xander. Xander should
Yeah,
be
we're gonna
here
carpool
now.
karaoke here.
Because
Can we karaoke?
If Xander was here, then it would be like good children.
I know, right? Why is Under in school? Eh?
Okay, guys. Shika, we were a quadro before. Like,
Yeah.
what?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you say that.
So this what happened, guys. So,
Okay.
but nauna man sila, ano no? Sila Zay.
Yeah, nauna sila na lang Chanze.
So guys, so we became friends with Nalan Chansay. So we're a quadro now. We're
Yeah, that's
Clover,
quadro number 1.
Our Clover friends.
Yeah.
Like one random day, like really random day, Xander wanted to meet up with Hershey and I.
Yeah, so we ate dinner together.
So we ate dinner together, and then we're like, we also want to meet Tyler. Kasi Xander is going to Tyler's house, and I'm like, why is he not bringing us? Kasi there's something we can't say, but yeah, na friends na kami.
What do you mean not bringing us?
What? Diba he was just gonna go back to Tyler's house alone?
Oh yeah.
And we're like, what? We wanna meet Tyler also. So we met Tyler. So us 4 now. And then, and then it was that. And then after that, a week after that, there's a Halloween party in his subdivision.
Yeah. So we went.
And then like it was us 4 again, and then we had fun. Tapos we liked our company, so we met again the next time. Tapos ayun, we're quadro. Ivan! Open! Window! Ivan! Wait. Where is he? Oh my god, he's a motor and he's so slow. Guys, sorry if I'm loud. This is like the life here in Cebu. My god, I feel like the grade 11 me last.
Oh, no, actually, that's what I'm thinking about right now.
Diba?
You're like going back to your roots.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh god, Tyler! Like, I'm gonna get banned for screaming so much.
I'm gonna race him.
No,
where
I need to say hi first. Where is he?
He's in the R3, like behind us. What? Right now, you see that motorcycle with like
There.
flaring light?
My god, he's so slow.
Okay.
He's so fast, right?
Oh my god!
No, I'm gonna Jetta!
Buster! Hey! Hey! See you! Oh, wait! I'm so young! I wanna ride that! Yeda, get off!
Hey, we got like a good view of Yada's booty.
Yeah! My god!
This is so
this is
cute.
so fast.
Wait, can I ride that going home?
Okay, Tyler can
What?
drive
I want to
safe.
ride it going home.
Drive
Shut up!
safe.
Who's gonna drive your car?
Me, I'll drive this car.
No, I'm gonna ride that going home. Oh my god!
When you gonna like put Reina?
I'm gonna like put you. That's gonna
He's
like
so
put.
fast. He's so fast. Lamian, ay.
Go, can you beat him?
Guys, I always
No, I
ride
can't
with
beat
him.
him. I cannot beat him. Actually, I might be able to.
So, oy.
But like, the roads have...
Guys, you know Reina's a body. She can drive motors. Like, I'm her.
But I want to be the passenger there.
Guys,
That's so fun.
I'm Reina's passenger
Bro,
princess.
there's 2 people in front of me are so hinay.
Bro.
Yo, Pip Pip, abuse your horn. Like what I do.
Yeah, bro, don't follow them, guys.
Oh my gosh! Wait, us three right now, we're the drivers in the friend group.
Oh, actually.
Guys, we're the drivers in our friend group.
Yeah.
So just...
Guys, don't worry. Tyler's not going fast. Because, you
Tyler's
know,
a safe driver.
we're doing the safe, yeah. Because if we're doing the fast, we're not live.
Shadow ba?
But yeah, we're safe and behaved.
Reina, this has to be your funnest live yet.
Yeah.
Because I'm here.
Bro, I'm having so much fun. We're just sitting here.
Yeah.
I want to get over that so that I'm gonna go. Ah! Sorry. He's not fast, guys.
Oh my god.
He's not fast.
Oh yeah, it's just normal speed.
It's just
I
normal.
love this car.
It's just freaking wet. Okay, fine. I won't say it.
Bro, they're gonna be so annoyed of you. Why do you keep horning?
Are we gonna pass by?
Horning!
Dude, I'm so
Baka
annoyed with them.
kayo.
Horning.
They're so slow lagi, no? Why can't they all stay in one lane? Tyler.
Shut up!
I'm gonna catch a time, man. Oh, that's a truck.
There's a truck.
Or-
Behave.
Are you scared to drive in the opposite lane?
Careful lang, B.
I don't think she overtakes.
I overtake, but not in the freaking other lane.
You've never tried?
No, only
You can
like,
do it if it's not
I only
solid.
do that when it's
Oh my god,
like,
did you just do it on a solid
in our
line?
skin,
I don't
yeah.
care.
Uy.
So in Cebu, a U-turn when it says no U-turn.
Yeah,
Oh.
he does.
I mean,
He's what they call that?
He's a behave driver, guys.
He's a really good driver. He follows the rules.
On the night we
Pungko, pungko.
it's
Hey,
so far, bro.
Hey, Tyler, have you ever been to
Bro,
Pungko,
I'm gonna
Pungko?
sakay him later.
Have you ever been to Pungko Pungko sa Fuente?
Yeah, La L starts with L.
Maban lagi daw ko
Oh.
ana.
Ay, Fuente? Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're actually
I've been
slow
there
right
twice.
now. We're
It's
not
so
lying. We're
cool.
slow. We're actually slow, guys. We're not kidding.
Guys, we're like
We're
going
driving
slow,
at
man.
45 kilometers per hour.
Shut up.
That's slow, bro. And
There,
there-
Ivan.
JB,
there's
bro.
like no one in the road right now.
What? Where's Ivan?
I think he's slowing down.
Yeah, duh.
Yeah,
Yeah, duh.
What the?
If Yada wasn't there, boy, hinana siya kang Dustin.
Ano motor nung friend mo? What's Ivan's motor?
R3.
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 But he's so fast and it's so loud.
Is it Bugat?
Super bugat.
What would I do without your smile, mom? Drawing me and
Hear that?
Stop it.
got my head spinning. No
Hear that like that
kidding.
me.
Really?